2, pick it up near your boot. 1, 2, lift, 2, 3, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give it out, give it out. Flap, in, out. So it's flap, in, out, and. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, pick, get up. 2, pick it up. And break, and lift it up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, give it out. 1 and 2 and in and out, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! This is done in 2 lines. So right now I'm not going to move you, I'm just going to tell you what happens. It's walk, 2, 3, 4. This is right, left, left. Again. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. Stop. You're going to step right foot, left foot to face back. You're going to walk your hair right to left. Right foot, left foot. You're facing the back. On the word fa, you touch your shoulders. Fa. Now you're going to do a verb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, let's do from the walk part. Face forward. 5, 6, 7, and. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. The right foot, the left foot. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right hand goes down. You're going to look down at that right hand. You're going to walk forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and turn to me. Put your hand down, your right hand down. 1 and 2 and 3. Put your hands on your hips. Walk forward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, second verse from Wash. 5, 6, 7, and walk 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair. 2, 3, 4. The right and the left shoulders fa. And 1 and 2 and 3 and turn and 1 and 2 and 3 and turn. 1 and 2 and 3 and walk 2, 3, 4. Now stop. If you're doing this with the Havana, the front line goes down, the other line stay up. And it goes 1 and turn. So your front line go down. 1, 2, 3, and then side with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pocket key on side, back, and around, and on top. Shade your hands on top, and on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got to look at these walls, back, and around, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, keep your train. 1, that's a back there, dip it, and dip, clap high, and clap, me, out, me brush. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Come on up. 1, everybody go. Down, and down, and down, clap high. And me, out, me, and brush, and brush, and brush. That's the verb. Question? Do it again. 2, pick it up, and break, and lift. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out, in and out, and 1, pick it up. 2, pick it up, and break, and lift. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, and out. In and out, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. Wash your 3, 4. Wash, 2, 3, 4. Right and the left and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and turn around. 1 and 2 and 3 and right, left, right, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Concertina and back and around. You've got to twist each shoulder to make yourself skinny. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, back and around and twist and twist and twist to train. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, shoot, train. Shoot, shoot, train. Clap, up, high. Look. Knee, out, brush it. 1, and turn your shoulder and turn your shoulder. Come on. 2, 3, 4. Shoot, shoot, train and shoot, shoot, train and shoot, shoot, train and me, out, me, and brush and brush and brush and stop. That's the whole dance. You got it? All right, so now you're all standing up. We're going to do one of the first verse right there. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Akakina, da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Back and around and 1 and 2 and 3. Let me turn this way. This time, you know how we're going to hit our legs in front of the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, shoot, train, and shoot, shoot, train, and shoot, shoot, clap, high, and me, out, me, and 1 and 2 and 3 turn it on the wall. Right, 2, 3, 4, shoot, right foot, shoot, shoot, train, and shoot, shoot, clap, high, and me, and out, and me, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What should have been 1 and 2 and out. I'm sorry, the last is 1 and 2 and out. 2 from the top. Split, go.
Come on.